Wow, look at that. Black Hills straight ahead. I think we're in the clear. You can see the anvil of the thunderstorm. Significant thunderstorms that are heading northeastward. So we could have some action near our campsite, but hopefully they pass over and move on or miss us altogether. But
let's pray they pass us.
Yeah.
A beautiful grassland.
Sure is.
Miles and miles of just grass.
The thunderstorms could peter out. They could continue going. I don't know.
Doesn't that mean the sun just got blocked from the clouds?
This is still Nebraska.
There's the sign.
Kind of an ominous arrival to South Dakota. Here at the South Dakota-Nebraska state line. Wow, look at that. Black Hills in the distance. Kind of a dramatic arrival with some thunderstorms over there. We're here at Angostura Reservoir State Park. We're right at the edge of the Black Hills.
I'm swinging.
Danielle's in the hammock. It's gonna go past us. I think we're in the clear. It's going to the northwest of us. But we're sheltering here in case of lightning. I don't think we should do the watermelon until
tomorrow.
We should have it for lunch or something.
Yeah, let's have it for lunch tomorrow.
It's gonna make a royal mess. Let's make a mess somewhere that's not a camp.
Don't get bitten by a
Let's
spider.
do it tomorrow, Dad. We can fix it.
Bitten by a spider?
Yeah, I said bitten by a spider.
There's no peeing in the.
Yes, out here. I just saw a spider right next to me.
Did it bite you?
No.
Okay. I know that. Someone poisonous. But I'm trying.
Our first night in South Dakota. Still a little bit of twilight. Oh, you can see the anvil of the thunderstorm. It's moving away from us. Still a little bit of twilight. It's actually what? 20 minutes to 10. Still twilight, mountain daylight time.
I'm on my third marshmallow, Dad.
Like a hot puppy.
I'm on my 50th marshmallow.
I'm on my fourth. I'm on my second.
I've had at least 6 marshmallows today. Cool.
Can't really see your faces, but...
Oh, hi.
I'm not Elijah.
Then who are you? Stranger?
Hey,